These are my topics for the possible workshop for Mrs. Hardy. The first one that I chose was make digital audio. I figured this would be good for teachers to learn how to do because they can create audio versions of the lessons and the instructions and send them home with the students or share them via Google Classroom or whatever they use. And so the students will have the instructions no matter where they're at, no matter what they're doing. That way, if they have any confusion and the teacher isn't available, or if they're at home and the teacher's not available, they have the instructions there with them. The second thing that I said was create screencast videos. And so this is another important thing that I think teachers should learn how to do. So then once again, if they're gone or if the students might need a little bit more help, then they can use the screencast videos to watch that instead of constantly relying on the teacher to explain everything. And this would be a big thing too for substitute teachers. So if you had a sub, the teacher could just make a screencast video, share it to all the students, and the sub, they could still continue with the normal activities that they would do, just with the sub there to help them instead of the teacher. The third thing that I used was use videos to engage students, and this would be a big thing because this is bringing in multimedia to the classroom, so it would make lessons more interesting and it would help hit all of the different learners in the classroom. So some of them might be better learners when it comes to watching instead of audio, and so this would be a big thing for that. The fourth thing that was use infographics to help capture the interest of students, and that was kind of along the same lines as the multimedia. So it would teach them how to use all of the different medias that are being presented, and it would also teach them how to pull things out and learn things from every single media that's presented. The fifth thing is use and provide students with task management tools to organize their work. So that would be providing them with practicing of time management, self-motivation, and so they're learning all of this early on instead of right before they get to college or in high school when they have to balance their schedules kind of on their own. And the last thing would be use blogs and wikis to create online platform for students. So that means my thinking along the lines is if the teacher can create a blog for the classroom, then they could post all of their screencasts and their digital audio and videos that they're using in class and stuff like that online so parents can access it. So if a student needs help at home, a parent can watch it and help them, or if a student needs help, they can get on the blog and watch the videos that they've been presented in class.